Hi everyone, my name is Kelly and welcome to DeShields Fields. I am an everyday gardener growing sustainably in my small 7B backyard. How are you today? For those of you that don't know, 7B is in Maryland, and today we are planting onions that we grew from seed. So if you are interested in learning how to plant your onions in a small space, or better yet vertically, watch this video. Let me show you what these plants look like. Here are our onion plants that we planted from seed. I started these back in January and they've done very well, but as you can see, it is time to get them outside and planted in some soil where they can flourish. I have a total of 24 pots here, but some of these do have 2 in it. We're going to be using a 5-tier green stock to plant these in, which has 30 pockets, so that's more than enough to get these started. I have brought in reinforcements for today. My son is going to be helping me. Aren't you excited about that, Evan? These are the supplies that we are going to be using today. We have our Coast of Maine soil, perlite, bone meal, which is good for onion. Well, not necessarily just for onion, but they're good for bulb development. And then we have our garden straw to help it maintain moisture. So we're going to start by putting our soil in our original planters first. We'll add some perlite, mix it in real good, and then we'll start planting. Try not to spill it. Soil's expensive, you know. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and add some perlite and mix it up. And the reason why I'm using perlite in here is because it's a little bit more light and airy. We have filled all 5 of our green stalks with soil and potting mix. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some bone meal. This is good for bulb development. So we are going to dig a hole, add the bone meal, and then just put our onion plants on top. When we dig holes, we don't need to dig very deep. Here's one of our onion plants. And this is a very good example here. This is one of our onion plants, right? Do you see how far that is in there? We're going to do the exact same thing in our green stalk. You don't want to plant these too deep. Here I'm setting this right on top and I'm going to gently cover it. I hope you can see that since this is a green stalk, we're making sure that we plant them towards the very edge. So now that we have everything nestled in there nice and good, I'm going to go ahead and add the straw. Over here, I had one less pocket, and I planted a carrot in that because carrot and onions are companion plants. Thank you for tuning in for today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is my onion green stalk. Let's get growing. I'll see you in the next one.